Hi, hi. I would like to greet everyone who has chosen to listen to that video. Again, my name is Yannick Dentis. I am a family nurse practitioner who based in West Palm Beach, Florida. Um, the purpose of the video it's only for education. So the main focus will be on health promotion and disease prevention. So my main goal for those videos is really to educate the community, um, the people who really want to know more about health, how to prevent your health, and once you have the disease, also how to manage your disease. So we are going to, before we tackle the subject, today the topic will be healthy foods and vitamins, because this is a very controversial topic, vitamins. So you will see what the vitamins are for, how to take them, and which group of foods so who can help you get those vitamins. Let's start with God words. We're always going to start with God words about diseases. So if we go to Psalm 103, verses 2 and 3, let's see what God says about diseases. So in the Bible, we're always going, there's so many passages, so many scriptures relating to healing, diseases and everything. So Psalm 103, verse 2 and 3 said, "Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits, who forgives all your iniquities, who heals all your diseases." So, as we know, God can heal us. However, this is not the reason not to follow the medical advice and not to prevent disease, by eating good. And also, once for some reason we will get sick, because this is the world we are living in, and once we get sick, God put some stuff for us so we can that can help us to gain our health back. So how can we do that? It's to really follow the advice, the weak recommendation, the doctor or the physician or the nurse practitioner, the physician assistant, whoever who is your provider, can help you restore your health. So the poster we are using for this topic, like you see, is healthy food and vitamins. As we know, vitamins and minerals, this is not something new. That's something has been there many years. But apparently, that the vitamins and minerals has been there since prehistory, 18th centuries, 19th centuries, and 20th centuries. Um, so in the 1960s, physicians began to treat patients with special diets and supplements prescribed according to individual symptoms, problems, and needs. But while conventional medical physicians still discuss nutrition in terms of basic food groups, nutritionists they will prescribe vitamins in mega doses. What is vitamins? Vitamins are a group of unrelated organic nutrients which are essential to our body. So the vitamins, this is a group of organic nutrients. So minerals now are inorganic chemical elements which are necessary for many bio and physiological processes that go on in our body. So when should supplements like vitamins and minerals should be taken? When? According to literature review, the best time for taking most supplements is after meals on a full stomach. Although some vitamins and minerals work best on an empty stomach. Also, the best way also to know also is read the label on any supplement you plan to take to find out the best time you can take it. So if we follow the healthy food poster, we are going to use the poster. So you can see we have so many vitamins. Okay, we have vitamin A, we have vitamin B, and in that poster you see vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B, B6, and B12. But still, we still have more than that. We still have more than those 5 vitamin B. But for the purpose of the poster, we will stay with the 5, and we have vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and K. So let's start with vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin. That's meaning it needs fat to be dissolved. So that's why this is one of the vitamins is good you take it with food. So once you take it with food, at least you can make sure that your fat will be dissolved, that vitamins. And also vitamin A is good for normal growth and development. Is good for vision. Is good for healthy epithelium. This is your skin, and is good for it also is an anti-infective. So it's an anti-infection. It's good for infection. So when you lack of vitamin, if there's a deficiency in vitamin A, what can happen? Can have retarded growth, night blindness, disease of epithelium, dry skin. Your skin can be scaly and dry. This is a lack of vitamin A. Also, you can have cold, bronchitis, diarrhea, and xerophthalmia. This is the eye disease. If you look on that poster, the best food you can get vitamin A from eggs, butter, papaya, papaya fruit, carrot, milk, liver, and cabbage. So let's go for vitamin A. So vitamin B is water soluble. So that vitamin dissolves in water. So it's less toxic. Vitamin B1 is good for growth, appetite. So that's meaning, it can give you a appetite. Normal is good for normal intestinal function, nerve, and muscle functions. If you lack of vitamin B1, like your deficiency, that can lead to beriberi. This is kind of anemia, loss in weight, loss in appetite, innervation, play on your nerve, defective carbohydrate metabolism, which is your blood glucose. So, and also when people they drink too much, they drink too much alcohol, they are alcoholic. They prescribe them also that kind of vitamin, the vitamin B1. This is the thiamine. The best food you're going to find vitamin B1 are peas, meat, potato, Irish potato, soya beans, milk, whole grain cereals. Next is vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 now is again they are as a matter of fact, all the vitamin B they are water soluble. So which means they dissolve in water. So vitamin B2 is good for growth, healthy skin is good for your skin, mouth, and your eyes. If you lack of vitamin B2, so deficiency in B2 can lead to retarded growth, dim vision, photophobia, this is afraid of lights, keratitis, blistered tongue, and premature senility, kind of your dementia type. And the best source of vitamin B12, you can find it in green vegetables, custard apple, meat, cheese, soya beans, and milk. Vitamin B is water soluble as well. It's good for this kind of vitamin is good for proper carbohydrate metabolism, so it can regulate your blood sugar, and it's good also for your nervous system. And if you lack of vitamin B, what you can have, deficiency in vitamin B. And by the way, that vitamin, we call it also boron, also BORON. Deficiency can lead to pellagra, glossitis, dermatitis, psychosis, and diarrhea. See, so this is why vitamin is important, because if you lack of them, you can have those diseases. So food rich in vitamin B are tomato, potato, peanuts, banana, and vegetables. Next is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is water soluble also. Vitamin B6, so we help with proper metabolism of amino acids, disease resistance, and anti-emetic. Anti-emetic, it's nausea, so it will prevent that. And if you lack of vitamin B6 deficiency, you can cause anemia, atrophic lymph tissue, poor resistance against diseases. So your resistance for you to fight against diseases will be weak or poor. So food rich in vitamin B6, they are dry fruits and nuts, peas, pulses, which is your spices, fish, meat, and milk. And lastly, vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is water soluble, and that B12 is good for the red blood cells, nitrogen metabolism, and healthy nervous system. If you have a deficiency, if you lack of vitamin B12, we're going to have a disease called pernicious anemia. And food rich on B12, food rich in B12 are eggs, meat, liver, cheese, and milk. So I'm going to stop there, and my next video we will do vitamin C, D, E, and K. On that, I just wanted to thank you for listening and following the poster about healthy food and vitamin chart. And please do not forget to like it and share and subscribe on that channel, because the next time one video the next time they can let you know when the next video will be uploaded. So I wish you the best of health next time.